Anong feeling nun, nilalipo dito?
Yung sa lipo naman kasi surprisingly, sobrang liit lang din ng incision.
Wala
As
nga
in,
akong nakitang scar.
Yeah, wala. As in, para lang siyang dot. And then after that, I waited like 3-4 months to heal. And
Tapos
then
nagpa-gender reassignment surgery ka na.
Transgender. Gago ka!
Welcome to Raw and Real, the podcast where truth wears no filter. Hosted by identical twins Dana and Stacy. The same fearless energy that defined plump.ph is back, now with deeper accountability. At the peak of the body positivity wave, they hit a hard truth. Being fat isn't brave, being fat isn't healthy, and body positive isn't the whole story. Preaching self-acceptance while eating in denial, saying I'm fine except me, wasn't honest, and it wasn't helping. At the height of wokeism, between 2016 to 2020, as the faces of the body positivity movement, they completed over 100 podcast episodes on Spotify. Now they're back, but this time on PGMN, not just with their brand, but with clarity. Born from a lifetime of twinhood, Raw and Real invites you into the unfiltered world of two women who've lived, fought, and flourished together through body shaming, cultural expectations, healing, and radical honesty. Expect real talk about what we usually hide: shame and joy, jealousy and softness, strength and sex, the systems we live in, and the stories our bodies carry. Each episode strips away performance, leaving something deeper: connection. No scripts, no pretenses, just two women speaking their truth, sometimes with serious gravity, often with blazing hilarity, and holding space for yours. This is Raw and Real. Tune in, unpack, unlearn, come as you are.
May aaminan ako.
Okay, alam ko na yan. Pero para sa mga taong nag-speculate ng matagal,
Oo.
nag-speculate ng matagal at kinokomentan ka sa Instagram mo na dinidelete mo.
Dinedelete ko talaga.
Okay. There's a reason why.
There's a reason why. Pero aaminin ko na na retokada ang mukha ko. Yeah, and actually hindi ko naman siya tinago eh. Parang I just wanted to keep it private.
Yeah.
But it's not a secret. Like if people who like physically or personally would approach me
Meron
and
ba
ask,
nagtanong?
Oo naman. Dami rin nakapansin na, as in parang, teka, ano nagbago, di ba? Because talaga namang ang pinagawa ko ay ang aking ilong.
Ano bang mga, sige nga. Bigyan na lang, quick na lang.
Sige. So yung journey ng pagiging retokada ko.
Hindi, tatanong ko yun eh. Sabi mo, itanongin kita ng mga question. Napangunahan mo yung trabaho ko eh.
Sige, tanong mo.
Bago ba yung ilong mo? Ano, that's not acceptable, Stacy. Okay ba yun?
Hindi naman ganun.
Okay.
Hindi naman ganun yung pagtanong na parang putting you on the spot,
So parang
diba?
kunwari, parang may bago Yun, pwedeng
Yan,
ganun.
oo.
Parang hindi naman yun. Parang may bago ba sa'yo? May nag-iba.
Yan, ganyan. To me, it's not rude. Kasi napapansin siya eh. Like, your physical looks is something that really see all the time.
Oo.
And so, parang, siguro lang din it gets annoying if wala naman kayong relationship. Tapos alam mong parang nang chichismis lang. May ganun din kasing vibe
Okay.
which is like off-putting.
I see.
Pero so, how it even got to me like really going through surgery. Anyway, bata pa lang naman tayo, I've always been vocal about my nose. Like, I never liked my nose.
Okay.
My nose.
Your nose,
okay,
your nose.
my
your
nose.
nose.
And so, nung naging boom yung threads, kasi yun yung non-invasive way to
Di ba
enhance your
ini-inject
nose.
yan? Ini-inject.
So, basically, threads are these parang nylon-like
Material? Okay.
Oo, medyo stiff siya na para siyang needle, gano'n. And then they stuff it in your nose para it pulls it up. So yung tent, parang matitent niya pataas. May hila niya pataas to, tapos may additional
Ilang
bridge.
ganon?
Yung una kong, well, once lang naman ako nagpa-threads ever. So they put like 20.
Okay.
Yeah. So I really like the effect. And then they told me kasi na parang yung threads, it dissolves every 3 years. And medyo mahal din siya nung time na yun. Parang I got mine for 15,000 to 18,000.
Okay.
So if you're gonna keep doing that every 3 years, naisip ko, might as well get a
Do
nose job na.
something
Oo.
permanent. So what else did you get done ba? Ano bang mga ginawa mo? Para maging ganyan ang itsura mo ngayon. Na napakaganda.
Okay, so before the nose job, ang una kong ginawa is I had my buccal fat removed. Nagpatanggal ako ng buccal fat. Yeah.
Para?
To give the face more structure and lumabas yung cheekbone mo. Tatanggalin yung fat sa loob, yung cheek pads mo.
Sakit
Yeah.
ba?
Masakit. As in, you know how it's done? Pero
No.
hindi, ganito siya. Bubutasan niya ng super konti and then hihilahin niya eh. Tapos kailangan niya mahila ng buo yung fat clump
Tapos
na yun.
ganun, diba?
Oo, iniikot
Parang
niya.
floss.
Iniikot niya, oo.
Ba't, anong nafe-feel mo niyan?
Um,
Tulog ka
very
ba?
uncomfortable. Hindi ako tulog. Pero may nilagay na parang ointment. I don't know, topical.
Okay. Inside.
Oo, meron namang nilagay.
Nanom-
Maybe they injected me. Pero sorry, okay. Not the gas.
Injection.
Injection. Yeah.
And then,
Pero you feel the fat getting pulled out. Di masakit, pero may pinupull. So, parang tooth extraction but the cheek.
okay, I can,
Gets?
okay, gets.
Oo.
And then, the incision is where? Just right
Inside.
there. Inside.
Yeah, dalawa lang siyang small, incision.
Sige, I wanna go into detail later, pero okay, the buccal removal
And
for
then-
the sullen look.
Yes.
Kasi
Kasi,
parang hindi ako makain ng 3 araw.
mukha ba akong hindi kumakain ng 3 araw? It's just to give the face more like,
May iba kasi
structure.
na parang...
may iba. Pero kasi, okay, the way I decided then to get it is, sabi kasi nung doctor, parang, yung older people in your family, do they have sagging cheeks? And I'm just like,
kung
yeah.
meron,
So, okay lang yun.
ideal.
You're not gonna look so sullen.
I
kung
see.
ganon.
Okay.
So, that's why, okay, sige, let's do that. And then I also had my double chin lipode.
Okay.
Yeah. So, this was all in one day. Sabay yun.
Anong feeling nun nilalay po dito?
Yung sa lipo naman kasi surprisingly, sobrang liit lang din ng incision.
Wala
As
nga
in,
akong nakitang scar.
Yeah, wala. As in, para lang siyang dot.
Pero,
And then, may pinasok na tube to like, suck
Extract.
out the fat. Yeah.
gano'ng katagal yung
Pero
procedure?
yun yung sobrang nakakangilo kasi you feel it scraping against your jaw.
Okay. And then, after that,
I waited like 3-4 months to heal. And
tapos
then
nagpa-gender reassignment surgery ka na.
transgender. Gago ka! Okay, I know people, like, I get that sometimes. Like, are you a real woman?
Tapos,
But, no. Tangi.
ay, sorry.
No,
Hindi.
I'm all woman. Okay.
Okay.
Ito lang.
Kala ko fraternal tayo.
Sobrang bobo mo.
I'm just kidding. Don't be offended. Okay.
And then, after 3 or 4 months, I did another rhino.
Okay. So all I know is...
So, may facing, kumbaga.
Okay.
Kasi,
strategic ka dun.
Strategic yun.
Pero long before you even decide, no one decides surgery just like that, eh.
Oh,
Diba?
yeah.
Can you walk us through what's the internal dialogue for you to really... Kasi, I mean, it's money. It's a
Yes.
risk. It's still a risk. Every time you
Right.
go under the knife, it's still a risk.
Right.
And
It's
the
painful.
healing,
Oo.
the post surgery is gonna be
Right.
so hellish. So
Yeah,
considering all
yeah.
those things, paano mo nagawa to? Joke lang. I'm just kidding. There's no stigma here.
The desire to really do it happened. Ito na yung time na nung pandemic, I went through the breakup, heartbroken, nagpapayat ako ng
oo nga.
sobra.
Okay.
And then once I hit the goal weight, na parang, oh my gosh, I feel so confident in my body. I wanted to like, todo na natin, let's enhance it more. Parang
Okay.
ganon.
Okay.
Yeah.
So to you, it's enhancement.
yeah.
You just wanted a glow up
Yeah, I wanted
from the
glow up.
heartbreak, from the heartache, ganyan.
Yeah.
To go through those extreme lengths, what did you have to do to say na, okay, I'm ready? What made you so sure na, okay, I'm all in?
Well, syempre, I did my research. You know naman me, before I get into something, talagang madugong research, like really like gathering all the information I can about it. And then, I guess the results too, nung naghahanap ako ng perfect doctor for me, kanya-kanya silang groups eh.
Siyempre.
Ang tawag nila ay, kunwari, Doc Nandro, Nandro's Babies. Tapos may ganun silang group sa Facebook.
Sa Facebook,
Oo.
parang mga ang work ko yan. Yan ang
Yeah,
kanyang
oo, lahat yon.
portfolio ko.
So, I came across this doctor and grabe yung gawa. Ito yung super natural looking because
Oo.
others look, you know na may ginawa eh.
Yeah.
Ito talagang ang ganda ng facial harmony after.
Oo.
Sobrang sakto lang sa face yung paggawa ng nose. So, I went with that one. Pero you know what? The entire process of finding a doctor, nagulat ako how unprofessional others are. As in, nagulat ako. Well, malayo din kasi yung ranges. Like, you can get a rhinoplasty for as low as 20,000, 30,000.
Oh my
And
gosh.
that's kinda sus. And yung
Okay.
mga doctors na ganyan yung rate, umaabot sila ng 12 patients a day. Which is scary.
Ng rhino?
Yeah.
Not even threads? This is
No,
not...
this is like, yeah,
Oh
rhino.
my gosh. Oh
Yeah,
my
parang-
gosh.
Kaya din ako napunta doon sa doctor na gusto ko because he only takes 2 patients a day.
Okay.
Diba? Parang
That would
relax
give me
lang
peace
siya.
of mind.
Oo,
Oo.
parang mas
I-
magiging secure ka sa ganong setup versus...
Pero ngarag, yung para ka ng factory
yung
machine.
parang madali. Super,
Ah,
super.
okay, next.
And I remember while I was on the table, operating table, the nurse then kept bugging him na parang, Doc, andyan na yung next patient. Tapos talagang he was so firm about it na, tell him to wait. Parang nagre-reklamo na kasi na, usapan daw po kasi is like 10 a.m. Pero nasa 11 na, hindi pa kami tapos eh. Kasi yung nangyari pala sa akin is, so while I was being stitched up, biglang sobrang sumakit to, like ringing as in painful. I was like, umiyak ako sa table. Tapos I was like, Doc, super sakit ng ear ko. Tapos he had to open it again. Tapos nagka-blood clot. So we had to remove the clots. Kaya natagalan.
Oh my
Natagalan
gosh.
talaga. Oo. And then, fixed it again. And then, okay na. Dude, that was the worst, like, pain scale. Mataas tolerance ko for pain, but that one's like, wild. Parang
Ano?
sinagasaan yung mukha mo ng truck. Ganun.
Okay.
And you can't even bend. Pag nag-bend forward ka, feeling mo malalaglag yung buong mukha mo. I don't know how to explain it, pero that's how it felt. So, hindi ka talaga pwedeng yung mukha, you can't move.
Okay.
As in, ganyan lang. As in, and si mama din na stress looking at my face, okay? Because it was just really like, pasa, yellow yung mata ko. Hanggang sa mata magpapasa eh.
Of course.
Oo,
It's the
oo,
whole
umabot
face.
dito. Yeah.
Hindi, kasi I remember I was in Boracay, living there, and I was waiting for you to reply to my string of messages.
Oh yeah, bawal kasi phones eh.
And I'm like, where is she? As in,
Yeah.
no one's...
I remember my surgery was scheduled 8 a.m.
Oh.
So 8 pa lang, wala na akong phone.
Oo nga, I know. And
Oo.
usually we touch base like,
Oo.
good morning, then said our cat reels, whatever.
Yeah.
And then that day, I'm like, oh, she's like strangely quiet today.
Yeah.
And then I started calling you, and I'm like, okay, still,
rin sumasagot.
oo.
Oo.
So panisip ko, pero may lunch break to, if it's a work day, she should be able to pick up on during her lunch break. And then I started calling you, then I messaged mom, where's Stacy? She's also not replying to me. And I'm like, something's
Because
up.
I told mom, sabi ko, Ma, should I tell Dana? And she's like, wag na muna. Parang, ayoko na rin kasi umad sa stress that I was
Oo
going
nga.
through.
Of course, you're
Alam mo
going
yun, parang
through
I was
the
already
fear.
anxious,
Oo,
getting in the
oo.
getting, you know,
Under the
ready
knife,
for the
yeah.
surgery.
Oo.
And then telling you, parang feeling ko, another thing to manage.
Oo,
So
totoo.
parang, papakita ko na lang pagtapos na.
Pinakita mo nga sa akin, nakaganon ka na lang. So,
So, may
And I'm
bandage
like,
sa
what
ilong.
the heck?
I know.
Oo.
But yeah, so anyway, going back, like just the whole process of shopping for a doctor.
Yeah.
As in may iba, yun nga, yung parang syempre medyo tinignan ko rin yung options ko na more affordable side. Pero wala man lang consultation, they just send me their QR code.
Oh my gosh.
As in,
Agad-agad?
ganon, parang kunwari, nag-inquire ka pa lang na, Doc, parang I'm interested in getting a rhino. Okay, reserve ka na ng date. So, how they do it is, you pay for the date para alam nilang di ka magba-back out.
Yeah, of course.
So, isipin mo, ganun agad, wala man lang consultation schedule to be like, okay, let me walk you through the process, what to expect,
Para you know
to
what you're getting
diba,
yourself
parang typical
into.
sales process, diba? You really wanna know muna what's behind the service, ano ba yung pros and cons,
Yeah.
ganyan. Wala, yung iba talaga rekta QR o book mo na yung date na gusto mo. Ganon. I was so put off.
Oh, okay. I
Parang,
think that
huh?
that's what makes them cheap.
Yeah.
Diba?
Walang
Na parang walang
servicing,
kalinga, walang servicing.
Nothing.
Either you know what you want, you've seen her Instagram,
Yeah.
now book.
Oo, ganon, ganyan.
I see. Okay.
Pero kung doon ka sa higher range, eto, kaya rin ako na-impress
May
din sa
hotel
doctor
ka,
ko.
papakainin kang steak bago ka dinalhin sa operating room.
Tangi.
Masahi. Ay, walang ganun.
Walang ganun.
Okay.
Pero kinausap ko siya. Siya yung proactively nag-book na consultation. Siya naglagay sa calendar ko. Yung gano'n, siya nag-send ng
okay,
calendar invite.
okay.
These are the little
Pro,
things na
pro
alam
na
mo.
pro.
Oh, pro na pro.
Oo.
Tapos when we started talking it out, like he really took his time and explained to me everything. As in, may mga picture siya kung saan gugupitin, paano
Yan ang tama.
gagawin. Oo.
Oo.
And this is really like one of the top up there na. So medyo mahal din talaga siya.
So, walk us through your healing.
Yung post is like,
Oh my God.
and I'm just frozen in bed. And mom really had to
Take
help
care
me,
of you.
help me shower. Kasi hindi ka talaga pwedeng yumuko. Paano mo papaliguan sarili mo ng... Basta, kailangan mo talaga ng assistant.
Okay.
So mom really helped me a lot. Diba? Tapos nakatingin kami sa salamin, anak, gaganda ka na. Tapihin mo lang mga ganong pep talk.
Baliw na kasi ang nanay mo!
Oo, may mga ganong moments na, okay lang yan, anak. Yung hard work mo, lalabas din yan. 2 months, ganyan. So may mga ganong moments and I'm like, Mom, I really appreciate all your help.
Wala ka, anong fears mo?
Ma-infect. Yun naman eh. The healing process is so crucial.
Doon ka na sa infection, hindi yung parang, oh my gosh, what if it's tabingi?
Yun din. Kasi nung
May-
pinlaster, parang, tabingi ba? Pero it's just the tape. It's just the tape. Hindi naman super pantay na pantay yung tape kasi. Pero syempre, I was so praning na parang, baka ma-fix na siya ng ganon or what. Tapos sinabi ko rin sa doctor ko na, Doc, kahit anong mangyari, ayoko ng nostril na mukhang M. Alam mo yun, yung parang very Madam Auring pininch talagang ganon. Ayoko ng ganon.
Ayaw mo ng triangle.
Gusto ko slits lang. Yan. Na-achieve naman ni Doc yun.
Oblongs.
Yeah. Sabi ko, Doc, pantayin mo yan. Make sure pantay. Honestly, sobrang toxic din ng mga communities ng mga girls na nagpapa-beauty procedures.
Bakit?
Parang they get so obsessed. As in,
Yeah.
they're like, alam mo, kailangan kong ibenta. I mean, it's all banter and jokes, pero like, they're always joking about ano bang kailangan nilang ibenta.
Ano kailangan nila isubo?
Ang kailangan nila isubo,
To get-
dilaan,
okay, to get
para
the-
kumita pa ng mas maraming pera because they want now their boobs. Yung talaga,
Hindi ka ba natakot dyan?
no. Because I know gusto ko lang talaga my face. Like, not my body. I will never. Parang, to me, ewan ko to me, when you touch your body na, parang that's you objectifying yourself na eh. Diba? Parang, ito kasi face, that's you. That's like, diba, facial harmony mo and all. But maybe that's just me justifying it. But I don't know. Parang ibang issue yung body eh.
Okay.
Kasi also, I learned that with like boob jobs and stuff, it kills your nerves. So
Oo
even
nga.
like,
The pleasure
hindi
of
ka na
it.
matutuwa when someone like,
Okay.
walks you
Alright,
there or
alright.
something.
Okay.
And why would you want that to go away?
Oo nga
Just
naman.
to get like perky tits? Ayoko.
Okay. I see. Uy, pero nagpa-fillers pa tayo sa Vietnam.
Ayun nga, isa pa yung fillers na yan. Nagpa-lip filler din ako twice.
So, influensyahan niyo
Tapos
po ako.
tinan mo, direct i-zoom in mo, nag-ano siya, ano tawag doon?
Umandar.
Oo parang... And they say, yan na naman yung sinasabi lang na, no, fillers will get dissolved in time. It's just gonna blend into your tissues and parts. No, umurong
Ayun
siya.
nandun na yung lip, yung
Kita mo?
curvature, yeah. I see it. Oh,
Yeah.
nga. Oh.
That's why I'm like, I'm never gonna do fillers na. Ayoko na. And it's a for everything. Like, have you seen yung sa scans online? Parang,
Oh, it's there. It stays in your body for good.
yeah, it's a for everything.
So, kung may hindi ka gagawin, knowing what you know now and going through the whole procedures, all of it,
Yeah.
all of them, ano yung hindi mo na lang gagawin?
Yung fillers.
Fillers na lang.
Oo, parang...
Pero yung threads.
pwede rin. Sana nirekta dose job ko na nakatipid pa ako.
Okay.
Pero also, you know what? Meron ba kasing taong secure na magpapa-cosmetic surgery?
Hindi ko alam, di pa naman ako nagpag-retoke. Pero I mean, of course, there's some dissatisfaction there, di ba? Kaya mo nga dinadala dun eh.
Yeah.
Kaya mo nga gustong ayusin eh because you think it's broken. Kaya kailangan mo siyang ipaayos.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Pwede bang turn ko naman? And I mean, I also just wanted to share this part because I'm a twin. Diba? Yun eh. We're identical twins. And you going through that also stirred something in me negatively.
Na parang pangat ka kasi ako nagparetoke.
Parang ganun. Parang, gago ka pala. Ikambal tayo eh. Ayos ka.
Yeah, how did you, alam ko nga, naging issue to between us. Pero walk me through how you felt and processed the
Sige.
entire thing.
Well, number one, it felt like another, why did she have to keep it from me?
Right.
Diba? Kasi may strain na tayo at this point of
Oo.
you hiding things and me finding out from someone else.
True.
Diba? So the second time na ito, parang, why go behind my back? Parang, pero syempre, now in hindsight, I understand. Oo nga naman, isipin mo pa reaction ko, ikaw nga kabang-kaba na sa surgery mo. Yeah, I understand that now. But during that time, biglang, doon na nag-heighten the voices na, ikaw din, kailangan mo na rin gawin. Paggawa na niya eh. Di na kayo kambal. Yun, I think that's me grieving a part of our being identical.
Shared image.
Oo, na that's such a huge chunk of my identity na, yeah, I'm an identical
But
twin.
still look alike. Like, people still notice na, kambal ba kayo?
Probably because matangos talaga ilong ko.
Shut
At
up.
Hindi ko kailangan. Charot.
Oo.
Yeah. So, I think that was tough for me, and just to see you in pain, to see you drugged up all that, well, I mean, to see you just in painkillers and in bed, shutting out the light. Kasi bawal ka mailawan, di ba? Masakit sa mata.
Masakit sa eyes. I was in so much pain.
Parang
I'm
inisip
just
ko, is this even worth it? Just seeing you parang, oh my gosh, pag nakikita ko, naiyak na rin ako.
And yung nung tinanggal yung cast, mukha akong witch. As in, the first week after the operation,
I know.
tinanggal na yung cast eh. As in, I was like, mukha akong bird.
Oo nga. Parang
Yung mukhang-
matutuka mo ko.
Oo, parang sobrang sharp.
Parang gusto kong bigyan ng seeds yung ilong mo. Sunflower seeds.
Ano ba?
Ay, sorry.
Yeah, pero yun din. Yun pa was also like,
Ibang ano
Diba?
din yan. Wave of
oo,
emotions na naman na
parang,
did I...
what the heck did I do? Pero,
What the hell?
Oo, pero may doctor kept reminding me na it's healing, you know, at least give it a year. A
Oo
year
nga.
talaga to like really see kung more or less na itsura niya. And true enough, kasi may days talaga na one part will be swollen, another will be parang di siya pantay. Pero it's really all part
Pero
of the
meron
healing.
bang mga nasal changes?
Actually, you know what? After that, parang naging habit ko more to like keep touching my nose, picking my nose. I don't know. Siguro I wanted to feel like what's happening in there. Like, what did you rearrange? I don't know. And also, parang super naging dry yung ilong ko after. Parang
Like,
it's just been
ito,
dry.
dry?
No,
Ah, the
inside. It's so dry. Pero kasi nga, ni-rearrange na yan sa loob eh. So, it's
Pero,
really
so,
gonna-
okay, every time you go through a procedure, there are many ways it can go wrong, right?
Yeah.
Do the doctors tell you that na, oh, pwedeng after nito, ngungo ka na?
Tayo, hindi naman ganon.
Tapos na yung surgery, Stacey. Nok?
Bobo mo. Nanon, gago mo kasi.
What?
Hindi ganon.
Oh my God, I'm gonna cry.
Oh, I'm crying. Okay.
Okay. Hindi ganon, hindi ganon.
Hindi ganon. Pero I wish lang, no, like, for doctors in this field,
Yeah.
sana they make it more, paano ba? Yung may PDF, may briefing ka na ng maayos, like, and then right after the surgery, and then
What to
post-surgery.
expect?
Yung ganun kasi parang
Kulang tayo
it's
sa
all-
ganyan. And
kulang.
this is in all across ha. Hindi lang to for like surgeries.
Alam mo kung paano, if you have questions or follow-ups, mag-Viber ka na lang and then wait till someone replies to you.
I hate that. Ayoko yun.
Diba, imbes na, dude, if you're getting like patients every month na ganyan kadami,
Ayusin mo na.
ready mo na para babasahin mo
Fact
lang
use.
nila. Fact use.
Fact use.
Oo,
Lagyan
ready
mo
mo
na
na
ng fact use.
So, yun yung nakulangan ako, honestly. Pero, this is already the best, Like, this doctor is already like, up there.
Pero aftercare, okay din naman. I mean, responsive naman. What's the longest time they had to wait? You had to wait for an answer. Within the day naman siguro, given the rates, di ba?
Yeah, oo naman.
Hindi naman parang 2 weeks kang
Hindi naman.
nag-aabang sa Viber.
Oo. Okay naman. Pero yun lang, parang just these little things. Kasi I also did my research ng mga American cosmetic clinics. Wala lang, just to see how they do it there.
Yeah.
Grabe sila, may buong kit ka talaga. As in, they're so prepared from yung pang ano ng hair mo, para when you're cleaning lahat ng swabs, everything. As in, kit, even meron kang manual.
Oh, yeah.
Diba? That's one thing you keep referring back to if you have any questions or concerns.
Oo.
Meron kang ganong primer.
Pero as a Christian, how are you processing this?
A part of me, syempre, merong guilt na, is this me like saying to God na hindi ako happy with how I look?
Yes! Yun naman talaga eh. What is wrong today? Something's up today. It's the energy. It's 2026.
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, parang at this point, it's too late to think about it anymore. Nagawa ko na eh.
Repentance na lang, Lord. Sorry.
Gagi. Hindi naman, parang, di ba, there's that. Pero also, parang I will not deny the confidence that I got from it too.
Right.
Parang talagang confidence booster siya eh.
Totoo naman.
Pero yun, I mean, with the whole, that thing, di ba merong Bible verse na, where your treasure is, there your heart, is also.
Yeah.
And honestly, ngayon lang to as in ngayon ko lang siya na-realize kasi I've been observing my spending habits. And when it comes to beauty,
Thoughtless.
thoughtless talaga, parang whatever.
Take my money.
I like that makeup. I
Makeup.
like that, whatever, lashes, procedure.
Surgery, ganyan.
Go.
Okay.
Like, I remember, I would really, grabe yung rackets ko nun so I can save up for the surgery.
Siyempre. It's not,
Talagang ang
cheap.
dami kong tinake na extra work. Like, I was on so many projects just to earn that money.
Okay.
So there's that, diba? Na parang it clearly reveals my heart na beauty is a priority.
Yeah.
But also, if I look deeper in that area, it's because my wounds there. Ang dami-daming wounds about beauty and, equating beauty with worth.
Oo
Diba?
nga eh.
Because that's our programming. Bata pa lang eh. Bata pa lang.
Okay.
Laging the dialogue is, sayang pwede ka mag-beauty queen pero papayat ka muna. Yung gano'n, yung parang almost there but still not
Not
enough.
quite. Oo. I understand.
And now that we're in our mid-30s, parang, I don't know, I'm just in this season where I'm really banking more on my personality.
Malamang maganda ka na eh.
Okay! Oo nga, no?
Hindi, ang sa akin lang is, let's not confuse, kasi nga ngayon na we're level-headed about this. I know beauty is such a distinctive trait for women.
Yeah.
Parang biblically, diba, visually appealing talaga eh. Maganda talaga ang babae. And Adam really delighted when he saw Eve, diba, in that garden.
Yeah.
So, beauty is specifically a trait designed for women for the pleasure of the man. I mean, biblically, okay? So, kung hindi ka Christian, okay. But, it's also not gonna be telling of your worth because worth is totally detached from that.
Yes.
Inherent siya eh, diba?
Oo.
Yun eh, na I think the lie that the enemy will constantly tell us. Katulad nun, I mean, I was so rattled to my core when you did the surgery and it's for me to process. And we had to go to therapy for that and
Yeah.
really hash it out na parang, I remember a doctor asking, Dana, why can't you be happy for your sister and still keep yourself intact and still be confident in the one you have? Kasi kung pinagdaanan ba niya to, mararattle ka ba? Hindi rin naman, diba?
Oo nga.
That's very telling on where and how much of my identity was hinged on you. As a sister, as a twin sister.
Yeah.
Ako naman personally, it crossed my mind.
Yeah.
Diba syempre parang hindi na siya taboo, guys. It's not taboo anymore.
Oo.
Like there's even beauty tourism that advertises people to go to Korea,
Or
change your
Thailand.
full face,
Yeah,
and
oo.
come back
A
a different
different
woman.
woman.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, ang hirap din maging babae ngayon. Lalo na if kung wala ka pa nung solid na where your identity should be or where your confidence should be.
Talagang it's so jacked. As in,
Oo.
even like, ang ganda-ganda na ng model mo, i-edit mo pa, ipo-post-edit
yeah,
mo
yeah,
pa.
yeah.
Like, ang layo na eh. It's too aspirational. It's no longer human
Oo.
at this point.
Yeah.
You know?
Parang the question now is, how do you view beauty now? We're in our mid-30s. What changed?
You know what? Minsan I would find myself like looking at my nose in the mirror and like, parang gusto kong, may mga ganon minsan. Parang,
Cool, pa-edit?
round 2 kaya? Oo.
Okay.
Parang now it's too big for me. Alam mo yun, yung parang may mga ganon, pero I just snap out of it and be like, see, yan yung risk eh. Once you start getting under the knife, you think everything's editable. Diba? Parang
Grabe
new
si RC
season.
Munoz, version 5 na nung mukha niya, te.
Oo nga. Mukha na siyang Thai
Thai,
ngayon. Mukha
oo,
siyang
Thai. Parang
may time mukha
nag-evolve.
siyang parang Middle Eastern.
Oo.
Tapos ngayon parang...
Tapos nagmukhang Spanish, nagmukhang Caucasian, ganyan. Tapos ngayon mukha na siyang Korean Thai.
Oo.
And I'm like, wow. I mean, where does it end? Where does the
Yeah.
buck stop, diba?
Yeah.
I think that's one of the things na...
It's a risk. It's really gonna play with your head too.
Pero hindi lang siya risky. I think it's such an innate trait in humans to
That's
never be
true.
satisfied.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang you think, konti lang, ganito, konti lang, dito naman.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how do you view beauty now na magandang-maganda ka na?
Actually, na-embody ko na. Hindi, now nga, shucks no. I mean, you're right. Maybe because happy na ako with how I look, na I'm focusing on my personality now and I'm just like being more confident. Pero at the same time, I would still find myself comparing myself to other prettier girls na parang grabe ibang
That's the
level
human
yung
condition
ganda
talaga.
niya. Parang,
Oo.
pero also, I have to reparent myself to be like, psst, snap out of it. Parang, steward na what you have. Ayan na andyan eh, di ba? Enhance mo na lang, pagandahin mo pa, pero, di ba, parang be content there.
Okay.
'Di ba? Parang discipline na siya at this point. You have to discipline yourself to be content.
Oo.
Because if not, 'di ba? What more when you hit 50s? Doon na talaga yung age mo makikita.
Yun nga, di ba
or-
nga hot topic ngayon si Kendall Jenner denying every...
I know, I don't know what the fuck is up her butt. Like, seriously, why can't you just admit? Everyone in your family already admitted
Oo
it.
nga.
Girl, di ka natural beauty ganyan and it's okay.
Oo,
Diba?
I've seen a video from comment. Ang content niya ay mag-comment, isa-isahin yung mga procedure na ginawa.
Kasi kita naman sa before and
Ayun
after
nga.
eh. And if you're trained to really spot these procedures, wala ta.
I think,
Kita mo.
my hope is that more women would just be real about it.
Yun nga.
Instead of denying it and gaslighting everyone.
Ang weird when they deny. That's why I
Oo.
never denied. Parang, kunwari may mga intrimitida lang ng mga audience na nakikichismis. Parang I will not. Pero like friends and like other people who would really ask me directly, I'd always say, kahit nga i-compliment ako I feel the need to say it. Like, I remember I was in Wildflower, tapos sabi nung waitress, Ma'am, ang ganda-ganda ng ilong mo. Lagi kong sagot pa ganun, thanks, mahal yan. Ganon.
Ganda. Easy.
Kasi why will I...
But true.
Diba? Parang magpe-pretend tayo na kita-kita sa mga past pics ko, flat na flat yan. Hindi naman flat. Hindi siya super flat. Di flat, may bridge nga, oh.
Pumbreno ka naman. Parang get na gilid ka sa ilong ko ah.
Hindi. I love your nose.
Don't give me that bullshit.
I love you.
Yeah, yan. Yun na lang, mas malinaw.
Oo.
Mahaba ilong mo eh.
But yeah, so yun, I guess, ano na rin parang ikaw na rin peprena sa sarili mo eh. Like, I don't wanna look like a plastic bitch.
So if you had a daughter and said, Mom, this nose is shit. I want to change it. Sorry. Sorry. I mean, Mom, ganyan. I feel like I'm so ugly. How would you feel as a mom?
Hindi, I would really address na saan galing yan. Kasi unahin natin, pag ganun, Mom, I feel ugly. Sige anak, magpa-surgery ka. Ano gusto mong gawin? Ganun kasi nanay natin eh. Hayaan mo anak, gaganda ka rin. Inumin mo to. Gawin mo to. Oh. Eh, syempre pag ako nagkaanak,
That's
parang,
true though.
let's go inward. Like, where is this coming from?
So you think if someone did that inward processing with you,
Oo
you could have
naman.
skipped this?
Pwede.
Sinungaling. Naglolo ka na tayo dito. I-wrap up na natin.
Oo nga, hirap na nga.
Yeah. No, I think the last message that would be apt.
No, pero wait, before we even wrap up, I want to
Sige.
ask you, like, how do you feel about aging? Parang ngayon ba meron ka ng mga insecurities about it or like fears about aging?
Fear siguro in terms of longevity.
Health talaga siya.
Health. Kasi I've always followed like women in their 70s in full glam. Yun talaga yung titingnan ko na parang, I can age gracefully. Femininity is such a gift from the Lord. And every season, He sees you through.
Yeah.
Nandun ako eh, na parang I'm in my 30s. I know I've let myself go. I'm trying I'm trying again.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, I'm in that season where, okay, I'm gonna take care of myself the best way I can. And I think if I'm not pursuing beauty, the weight, pun intended, it's like, it's lifted. If I pursue self-care, I'm in the right headspace. If I pursue beauty na dapat ganito itsura ko,
Yeah,
dapat ganito.
agree, oo.
Iba eh, ibang mindset shift. When
Ibang
I'm
intention eh, no?
ibang intention.
Kapag nagfo-focus tayo masyado sa beauty, nagiging nagiging breeding ground for comparison.
And
Yung-
jealousy,
and
competition. Oo,
yeah,
totoo.
agree.
Lalo na for girls na parang, pag may dumating na maganda, parang, feeling na,
Oo,
betokada
diba?
naman.
Yeah,
Diba? Na parang,
super
but
gets.
someone else's beauty doesn't mean it's an absence on mine, diba?
Kasi ganun kasi nag-ooperate tong buong mundo tsaka social media eh, and I hate it.
This is why faith is so important to me because God looks at the heart. Yun eh. I always go back to that na, okay, it can swing in different extremes. I can be like, I hate myself, blah, 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 ang pangit, ang taba ko na, ang sama ng itsura ko. Yeah, but God looks at your heart. Why? Why are you even feeling that way? I think our perception on our bodies, fruit lang siya eh. Alam mo yun, parang hindi siya yung pinaka-problema na kailangan i-address.
Oh, yeah.
Or when you say na, I feel so, parang hindi ako confident. Oh, okay lang yan. Parang very shallow, superficial. But why don't you feel confident? Are you doing the best you can to take care of yourself? Are you eating right? Kasi mood,
yun din.
ano
It really
din siya.
affects your
Oo.
mental,
So parang in terms of aging, wala akong fears But I do know that I'm on a path to longevity, diba? Na parang I'm moving again, I'm doing peptides, I'm doing the best I can to research on how I can better my body and myself. And I think that's all that matters. Siguro, I want us to close this episode on if someone's considering it,
Yeah.
diba? In their 20s. Kasi pabata ng pabata,
Oo nga
girl.
eh. Masyadong bata yung 20s.
I mean, Botox right now is marketed to 30s.
I know.
Tayo na yung market ng Botox ngayon.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Dati 50s.
Yeah.
Money. It's
Oo
all
nga
about
eh.
money.
Start them young.
Yeah, so what would
Yeah.
you tell, siguro kahit sa'yo na lang, your younger self, na, okay, I wanna do this, I feel insecure, I feel like it's gonna give me the confidence boost. What would you tell that girl?
You will do it. And you will get that confidence boost. No, but seriously, parang wala naman kasi akong regrets about my surgery.
Siguro yung lookouts na lang. Sige, what would be the things that you would tell younger girls who are considering it? Yeah.
Basing it from my own experience, na parang dun ko dinala yung heartbreak ko eh. Na parang, I felt like I was rejected
Not
by
enough.
this man. Oo, rejected. I was dumped. Not enough. Hindi ako yung gusto niya. And
So,
I-
inassume mo na beauty yung kinulang sa'yo?
Lagi. Always. Whenever I feel rejected, I always resort to fixing something with my looks.
Hindi mo naisip na baka,
Ugali ko.
oh my God, wait, mamatay na ako sa episode na to.
Hindi ko naisip na personality ko.
Next time isipin mo, ang dami mong ginastos eh.
Actually.
Hindi, pero yun nga, it goes back to the pain point.
And it goes back na,
Wounds,
ego yung gusto mong ma-stroke eh.
Yung kakastroke-stroke mo eh. Kasi, okay.
Oo, diba? Na parang gusto mong manghinayang siya, ganon. Siguro hindi pa hinayang kasi solid naman yung taong yun. Parang hindi siya ganon kababaw. Hindi ka
Hindi mo
Hindi
rin
alam.
na-calculate yun, na hindi siya mababaw.
Ako talaga yung mababaw.
Okay. Ganda ng discussion na to,
Sobrang productive. Anyway, you know what? Sige.
Okay.
Pero may na lang on aging. Like where I am now.
Sige.
on aging. Regardless of whether I'm trying to be confident in my personality because tapos na ako with the surgery
Okay, sige,
or not.
wala. Tanggalin natin yun.
Parang I'm just in a place na I don't wanna be the type of girl who's always fussing about her looks. Diba, nakamit ka na ba ng sobrang ganda tas ang dami pa rin kuda about her looks?
Ayoko na.
No, pero listen. Diba, yung parang, I don't know, there's just something about women who don't care so much. Parang, ewan ko, nakukulan ako sa mga girls like, our mentor, si Steph. She would wear makeup and all, but generally, she's just,
she's
diba?
Steph.
She's Steph, she's Kebs.
Yeah, true.
So, I don't know, I'm also drawn to that. Na parang sure, I enjoy presenting myself, ganyan. Pero, even the way we put our makeup, super layo na from college. Nung college tayo, parang medyo drag-ish eh. Yung parang iba talaga pag nagtanggal.
Yung structure talagang iniba mo lahat.
Oo, ngayon
Contour
parang I'm
kung
just
contour.
more enhancing it.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, not hiding stuff.
Let's wrap this up with you. I think just add value to that conversation.
Siguro just know na when you get the surgery, parang the fulfillment is not forever. You think it's gonna solve your confidence
There
problem.
it is. Oo.
You think it's gonna give you, fulfillment long term. Sure, you will be fulfilled pag nag-heal ka na. Tapos, di ba, everyone's giving you compliments for it. Na grabe, ang ganda mo. Or nag-glow up ka talaga. Siyempre, that's gonna stroke your ego. But what people fail to talk about is that wanes too.
Oo.
Bilis din eh. Tinan mo
Oo.
ngayon nga, parang minsan natitempt ako to be like, what else can I, parang ano pa ba? So it's that two-edged sword eh, na sure you're gonna get compliments, but it's not.
Oo.
It's not satisfaction guaranteed forever. You know what I mean? It might even play with your psychology and like, make you think na, uy, kung ito pwede kong pagandahin, ito naman.
Totoo.
And then, it opens you up to like thinking that your looks is just a long-term problem to be solved.
Oo,
which
project
is-
na lang forever.
It's endless.
Oo nga.
Yung iba, di ba, mukha ng cat people. As much as I love cats, and cat ladies, and cat dads, and all of that,
Oo.
like, if you are a human being who looks like a cat, it's kind of scary. Di ba? Yung sobrang pillow face na, grabe na yung fillers, banat na banat, and also, di mo na nakikita yung expressions nila. Naninigas talaga. Like the micro expressions. I'm following this girl. Her name is Lauren Gearston. Anyway, she wrote the book called The Invisible Corset. And meron siyang sinabi about Botox na talagang made me like, okay, I'm never even gonna touch that. Yun yung nangyayari like on a bigger scale na when people get Botox and nawawala yung ability ng face to do micro expressions, yan yung mga little things na nagagalaw mo lahat ng muscle ng mukha mo. It leads other people nakaharap sa mukha mo to be less empathetic.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi na nila nakikita yung ano bang nararamdaman mo. Wala. You're just stone cold.
Oo.
Wala na.
Totoo.
So there's also that. So anyway, I just wanted to share that because nainis ako even with this whole filler thing na parang they told us na, hindi, it's just gonna dissolve, mawawala din yan, and then you can keep doing it every year. So I did. First year, ganyan. Second year, tsaka siya naging, may term talaga dito specifically eh.
Parang nag-recede yung line
Parang
ng lips.
nadi-displace yung fillers. Tinan mo, kumalat siya eh.
Oh my
Diba? And no one told me that. No one told me that. I just discovered this recently na parang, oh no, kumalat siya.
Mamigrate.
Mamigrate. And akala ko, ang
Walang
sinasabi
visa.
nila, Dana, tinatapos na natin to!
Okay. Focus.
Focus. So, ang sabi kasi nila, it's gonna dissolve in time.
Oh.
So, nung first kong ginawa, hindi naman siya nag-migrate. And then the second time, I added more fillers.
Ayun na nga.
Yung una kasi 1 ml lang eh. Tama ba?
CC?
Or CC,
I don't
yeah,
know.
1 cc. Tapos yung second round, pinagawa ko 1.5. So, I just wish, parang sabihin niyo yung pros and cons of every procedure.
But it's
Diba?
also a money-making industry. You can't put that responsibility. I mean,
No,
ideally.
they have to.
Pero with how the system's working, how the industry's just hungry for money, it's really on the consumers too.
To be
Diba? Kasi kung
informed.
makakabenta.
Yun nga eh.
Oo.
And I mean, it just also goes to show how it's built, like the beauty industry. Hindi nandun talaga siya at the best
Interest?
interest
Hindi.
eh.
Hindi
It's really
talaga.
like money-making
Lalo na
now,
ngayon, I
feel.
think so many clinics are not even licensed. I mean, ang dali na lang mag-fake ng ganyan eh.
Yeah.
Diba? So, I think it's all about being true to yourself.
Hindi. Pero yun nga, I mean, just yun lang. Parang I guess, yun, if you wanna go and get your something cut and snipped and tucked, just know na, yun nga, you're opening up yourself to either more procedures to be done. Wala siyang 100% satisfaction forever is all I'm gonna say. Because you're gonna age too, mag-iiba pa rin yan,
Oo.
So, yun.
Okay. Good talk, sis.